Morning. It's Thursday, January 14th, 2016. I got a package. Okay. I'm going to take this dog out in a minute. Well, that was part of the panic alarm setup that I'm going to set up for my mom so she can reach my son when I'm not here. If an emergency happens, I'm going to set up like a panic thing where if she pushes a button that's on her necklace, it should ring a siren in his room in an emergency. And a flashing strobe light, he's gonna just love that. But I can't have it risk that she falls down, can't get up or something, and can't reach him or anybody. Well, this day's not super productive, I'll tell you that. Well, the end of another day. Not really much accomplished again. I guess tomorrow I'll try to finish the brake bleeding on the back wheels of that van. They shouldn't be seized or anything. They had the whole thing's apart. It's got brand new calipers in it.